Hi! I will cut ingredients of my spaghetti because I want to cook spaghetti of Arabic. And I'm done cutting off um, I'm done cutting off garlic, onion, tomato, and filfil barit. Green pepper. And I think ito lang po ang ginagawa ko. I'm done cleaning it all. Then after I finish my cook, I will in going to take iron dress again so that tomorrow it's going to school. Hi. Good afternoon mga Pilipinas. Good morning good evening na sa Pinas. Mag-good morning na sa Pinas.